If your plans don't go the way you expect them to, you will remain peaceful and serene. And even during those times when everything seems to be in a state of confusion, you will remain calm and relaxed. You will be able to think clearly. You'll notice that protective shield that'll be around you, and you'll be able to handle the situation with poise and confidence. You will experience that protective shield, and maybe you can call it an awareness shield. And regardless of where you are or what you're doing, you will find that more and more, day by day, you'll be more calm and more relaxed. You will be able to cope with your everyday changing circumstances. You're realizing that it's a waste of time to worry about things that happen. Instead of worrying, you're going to use your ability to think, and you'll be able to work out a very peaceful solution to any problem that comes up in your life.